Hello everyone. The Tailwind CSS version 4 is now available. Or the thing is, many users are facing problems with why using plugins with Tailwind CSS and Vite. So yeah, we will talk about that problem later in the video. You can skip this part if you are just here for that solving that problem. So yeah, let's talk about the Vite section from the framework guide has been moved directly to this section. You can install it, just copy paste it on your terminal and go to Vite config here. Go to Vite config and plugins. You have to use Tailwind CSS here and import it here. So that's how now you can use Tailwind CSS with Vite. And the problem is, whenever we use Tailwind CSS version 3, we got a Tailwind config file. So we can use our Tailwind plugins out there just by putting them in the plugin. For example, if I want to use this DC UI, so let's go to DC UI and get started. How to use? So we have to use this like add DC UI to tailwind config.js. So now the problem is we don't have the config.ts file or js file. Neither we can create or it will work. I have tried. I have also getting the problem. I was creating a project for myself just for practice. So that's problem I did get. So now you can see here, are you using Tailwind CSS 4? So they have also, like most of the framework will update themselves according to Tailwind CSS 4.0 or 4.0. You just have to click here. They have given the steps how to do it. Let's see. Just install it, copy it and paste it in your terminal. Okay, Control C. Let me copy it. And just install it. I have already installed it. The second thing you need to do is go to your app.css or index.css and paste it there. Plugin with this plugin @plugin. Let me go to my index. I have already pasted it here like this. You just have to paste it here with @plugin. So now you can use it. The problem will be solved by this. So let me see. This has been copied from the DC UI. Now I will go here and let me see where is my localhost. You can see everything is working fine. If I remove this from index.css, I don't think so. It should work fine. npm run dev. It's not working now. Let me go there and paste it once again. Index.css, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+S, and we'll refresh it once. It should work. See, the problem will be solved with most of the plugins. Whatever plugin you are using, you can check on their website or try using this plugin and their import statement things. So thanks for watching. Like for more videos, many videos are coming soon, and you can subscribe to if you like the video. Up to you. Thank you.